Hey guys, today we're checking out this light bar from Rally Innovations. This is for a 2022 plus Subaru WRX Rally light bar. It was made on April 26, 2024. Okay, I'm guessing this is all the hardware, the bracket. We'll check it out. That's the bracket. These are all the bolts. Some of these have the plastic bushing. That's for the front license plate where it mounts. I don't know if you guys can get a look, but that's what you get. I'm pretty sure these were probably, you take a towel, wet towel, they just kind of, that's from the paper, yeah. Nice powder coat. Probably from, that's just dirt. That's dirt. This is where you mount your lights. One here, one here. This attaches to the license plate bracket. So they have two mounts for the lights. Check out the welds. This is the bracket. This is the part that goes on your bottom front. What I like about this is you do not have to remove the front bumper. So just take off. Pretty nice finish. Yeah, the welds are pretty clean, no scratches, no paint chips. Rally Innovations, the instruction manual. All the bolts and the hardware. Check this one out. Yep. See, that's a bracket. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a quick measurement, so just to give you an idea of the size of the lights you can install on this. From here to here, 7.5 inches. So I'm gonna be installing these Hella 500 fog light kit. Hella! Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Man, it's gonna look sick on the, right? Let's get the weight. License bracket. 6 ounce. These are for the bottom subframes. 2 pounds, 10 ounces. £6 pounds, 5 ounces. So 6 pounds 5 plus a 2 pound 10. Okay, we'll just call it 8 pounds total. No, 9 pounds. 9 pounds, just under 9 pounds for the bar and all the hardware. That's pretty light. Yeah, I'm stoked. Alright? Well, before I go, I just want to say a special thanks to Marcus from Rowley Sports Direct. Yeah, it took a while, but you know, like a little bit longer than I expected, but I'm very happy with it. So thank you, Marcus. And if you guys are watching this, go check them out. Rowley Sports Direct. And of course, these bars are made by Rowley Innovations. Very nice, made in the USA. Alright guys, see you guys next time.